Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, and now we aim to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at stockinvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has ranked NIO as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 30.36% since we initially recommended purchasing NIO 11 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.76% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper end of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation may present an ideal selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower end of the trend is likely to occur. A breakout above the upper trend line at $5.61 would initially indicate a stronger upward movement. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 4.3% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 27.73% to positive 8.25%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a decline of around 54.56% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 85.06% and negative 65.54%. This implies a price range of between 81 cents and $1.86 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Evaluation of NIO stock downgraded after the last trading session. The NIO stock price experienced a gain of approximately 0.185% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, rising from $5.40 to $5.41. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 5.56%, with a low of $5.40 and a high of $5.70. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 30.36% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also saw an uptick, with 3 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 41 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $219.27 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $9.60, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price sits at 43.65%, or $4.19, below the 52-week high, and is 91.92%, or $61.58, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is riding a wave of positive momentum following recent developments in the Chinese electric vehicle market, particularly with the anticipated interest rate cuts from the People's Bank of China. This monetary easing could stimulate demand for electric vehicles, creating a favorable environment for NIO and its competitors, which have experienced rising stock prices recently. On the delivery front, NIO reported a remarkable increase of 143.9% year-over-year in vehicle deliveries, with total shipments reaching 57,373 units in the last quarter. This surge has not only bolstered vehicle sales revenue by 118.2%, but has also improved vehicle margins from 6.2% to 12.2%. Such operational efficiencies position NIO favorably as it navigates the ongoing price wars in China's auto market. As NIO expands its market presence, including partnerships like the recent launch of Stingray Karaoke across its vehicles in Europe, the brand is diversifying its appeal. These innovations not only enhance customer experience, but also support a more robust revenue stream. In terms of stock performance, NIO's price increased to $5.5 recently, its highest since May. Analysts project a target price of $6.70 for 2024, supported by strong technical indicators. Consequently, the combination of improved financial metrics, market expansion, and favorable external conditions paints a promising outlook for NIO in both the short and long term. This sentiment could drive continued investor interest, further enhancing stock performance as the company capitalizes on its strategic initiatives. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NIO an overweight rating with a recommendation for an upgrade. On Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, U.S. Tiger Securities rated NIO as a buy with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, Bank of America Securities assigned a neutral rating to NIO, also recommending to hold. Additionally, on Thursday, Morgan Stanley rated NIO as overweight with a hold recommendation. Finally, on that Thursday, Citigroup rated NIO as a buy with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it is expected to face resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $5.47. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will likely find support from the long-term average close to $4.32. A breakout above the short-term average would signal a buy, while a breakdown below the long-term average would indicate a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which might impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on the 11th of September, 2024, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 3.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 248 days ago. Remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.87 and $4.62. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to decline to the next support level. In this case, NIO finds support just below today's level at $4.87. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.62 and $4.44. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicative of high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 30 cents between its high and low, or 5.56%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.78%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative P/E ratios may signal inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 3rd of December, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 31 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO stands at $5.48. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $4.87. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The last transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.19, reflecting a decrease of 4.08%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 28 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several positive signals. However, these indicators do not sufficiently support a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to view NIO as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold their positions or accumulate more shares while monitoring future developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our assessment for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate designation since our last review. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the previous day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 18th of September, we anticipate that NIO will open at approximately 9 cents and begin trading at $5.50. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the insights provided by StockInvest. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.